Hey guys, can't see me right now, can you? Yeah, I know. In 3 seconds, you're about to. Still probably can't see me. I'm in a different spot. But hey guys, sorry about the other video that I've made. I was making the video on a video editing site. So basically it's kind of weird and it took out my voice. On actual YouTube. So basically this is a better view. Can't go outside because don't have furniture out here. But yeah, so basically I was just telling you guys kind of like a translation type thing over there because it kind of cut my voice out. So I just translated it from what I was saying. It kind of went out too late. So yeah, but all the words were in there, what I was saying. But yeah, this video will be good. I'm going to try to edit it on that one and just add the same thing. My charger fell out. Oh well, let's just go make the video. So basically, I'm in a video, as you guys can see. Totally. I got new glasses, if you guys didn't see in the other video. I'm going to put links in the description for same thing as the last video. For my Instagram and my friend's YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. He has 15 subscribers already. He hasn't been uploading, but his last few uploads were for haven't been uploading and stuff. Putty. Sorry. So yeah. Bad things about these videos. My video editor, my brother, sucks at editing. So now I am starting to edit. Like all the videos that I've been making were edited. But my brother edited them. So I just made them normal because they kind of were suckish. But they were really suckish, so I just made them normal videos. But now I'm starting to edit my videos. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, I have 20 of these fidget spinners. Literally, 20 of them. I'm not going to show you them all because it's kind of weird, but I have 2 of them right here. And then I also have 1 of them right here. Double-sided one. Don't have the finger pad, so I can't really spin it well. I mean, I guess I could use these finger pads. Probably way too big. I'm gonna try it anyways. Yeah, they're way too big to even fit into the hole. Maybe you don't even fit. This one will. I got 1 finger pad one. And 1 finger pad is all it needs apparently. Like I could get 2 finger pads on there. But yeah. So I have a double-sided one. This triple-sided one, and then this red triple-sided one. They're really cool. I'm missing the finger pads for this one. Doesn't spin as well, but I can still spin it. It's really hard. So yeah, if you guys don't know, I fix loudness of fidget spinners with oil and water. It's kind of stupid. But I'm going off the point. But, yeah, I'm super sorry for all the videos that are not edited. I'm sorry for that last video. Didn't really go as planned. But like I said, I'm actually recording this on YouTube, so I can just edit it from my video editor. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Oh, sorry, outro wrong. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.